UI Design Tips. Guide to Responsive Design. What is responsive design? Responsive design is the process of designing user interfaces to accommodate multiple viewports. The aim is to provide a consistent user experience no matter what device someone uses. Responsive grid versus fluid grid. Responsive grid uses a standard 12-column grid system with pixels for sizing. Fluid grid uses percentages, allowing UI elements to resize according to the available space. Define your breakpoints. A breakpoint is the specific range of screen sizes where the layout readjusts to the available screen size for the best possible layout view. Mobile-first design. Mobile-first design is a process of starting with the smallest screen size and scaling up. It helps in reducing unnecessary features, reduces costs and time to market. Responsive images and videos. Choosing the right format for the job: JPG, SVG, GIF, and PNG. For example, designers might use PNG for icons, but engineers use SVG because they adapt better to responsive layouts and deliver better performance. Responsive typography. What designers must consider for responsive typography, including choosing the right typeface, selecting a typography scale, alignment and spacing,